Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for another video. So today's video, as you guys can see, it is that time of the year, which is fall. Fall is my favorite season. So today, y'all, we are going to be decorating my living room area. I will be decorating my mantle, my coffee table, and my sofa. If you clicked on my video and you're looking for some fall inspiration and some fall decor ideas, and if you love my video, y'all, which I hope you guys do, go ahead and like this video as well. So with that being said, y'all, let's go ahead and jump into some decorating. I know you guys are ready for this. So I'm just giving you guys a quick overview of all of my fall decor. All of this decor is new. It is from Hobby Lobby. I didn't pull out any of my old fall decor from last year because I really didn't have a whole lot. So I actually went out to Hobby Lobby and purchased a good little haul for you guys, so you can see exactly what I have that I'm going to be decorating with in today's video. I'm so excited to be doing this video because this is my first fall video, and normally every fall season comes around, I don't really go all out like this with decorating. So this is my first time actually going all out like this, and I cannot be more happy with how everything turned out.
If you're thinking about leaving, let me know. If you're thinking that you don't wanna.
So before we start decorating, I always love to start off with a clean slate. So I'm going in with my method cleaner, and I'm going to wipe down the table really good so we can start decorating the table first.
You never come clean and you never come through.
So now that we have the table all clean, I'm going to go in with this beautiful little basket tray. It is so cute, y'all. I use this year round. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful vase that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and these beautiful flowers also that I picked up from Michael's.
I'm gonna leave it all, yeah. I won't let it get into my mind. No.
Next, I have this cute little truck with pumpkins on the back of it. I think this truck is super cute, y'all. It says pumpkin patch on the side of it, and just seeing those pumpkins on the back of the truck, like, it reminds me so much of the pumpkin patch. Like, if you guys ever been to a pumpkin patch, how they have the old pickup truck with the pumpkins on it, super cute. Then I went in with the I Love Fall little farmhouse books. I always love these books. I feel like they are super cute and perfect for any type of decor that that you probably would have in your home. And then I got this beautiful candle. It is in the pumpkin spice latte from Bath and Body Works. Love the smell of it, y'all. I highly recommend it. This candle was not on sale. I paid actually $25 for it, original price. And then I'm going in with these pine cones that I picked up from Hobby Lobby as well. They don't have a scent to them, but they are really, really cute, and they really, really brought out the basket.
Won't let it steal away my shine now. Get up and try again. I won't let it get into my mind now. Oh, he thinks he can. You see some man, but he is just a boy. Won't let it steal away my shine now. Get up and try again. I get up and try.
Now we're going to be moving on to the sofa. I'm just going to be removing all of my old pillows and the blankets from the couch, and we're going to start putting our new pillows on. So I have this beautiful gray 20 by 20 pillow that I picked up from Walmart. It actually came in a set, and I only paid $13 for it. Really, really affordable and great, great quality, guys. Then I have this yellow pillow, which I figured was really, really cute, and it pulls in all of the fall colors that y'all are about to see here in a minute. It pulled in the colors very, very well with that yellow. And these pillows were $7.88 a piece, and they are 18 by 18. And then I have this fall pillow right here. It is 16 by 16, and it was only $5.48. All the pillows that I got that you're about to see, guys, were from Walmart. So I felt like the couch was missing something, and it was missing a throw blanket. So I went and got one of my old throw blankets. It's in the color chocolate, and it goes perfect with all of the fall decor. Such a cozy, cozy blanket. So I'm gonna tie this in with the rest of the pillows that are on the couch, and it came out so nice. Here I am showing you guys a quick overview of how everything is looking so far. So far, I am loving it. Now moving on to the favorite part of the video, which is my favorite part, y'all. It is the mantle. I love decorating the fireplace. Such a cozy, cozy vibe the fireplace brings in a home. And when it's decorated for the seasons, it makes it even more cozier. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it real good with my method cleaner and wipe the TV down just a little bit, just to get some of the dust off of it. Lord knows it had a lot of dust, y'all, but. So this is the supplies that I'm going to use to wrap around it. I got these from Walmart. They take AA batteries. You need 3 of these. They also come in clear as well, but I thought orange would be really, really nice. Something different, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these around it. I got 2 of them, so I'm thinking about using both of them. I'm sorry, y'all, excuse JC. But I'm gonna get this wrapped around it, and then I'll come back to you guys when I get it. Hey y'all, so all I'm doing is wrapping it around the garland.
didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and place the garland on top of the mantle. Y'all, I had such a hard time trying to get the garland on the mantle because I have so much other stuff up there, and like all the cords and stuff, like I have no other place, you know, to tuck the cord or anything. So it's limited room on this mantle for sure. Then I went in with that fall sweet sign. Such a cute touch. I wanted to add a little bit more to it, but again, I didn't have enough space. So moving on to the bottom of the mantle, I am going in with this happy harvest sign and this stack of star. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know, but y'all, I wrapped it again in saran wrap. It had already came pre-wrapped, but I wrapped it again in saran wrap because some of the stuff was coming out of it and I didn't want it all over the carpet and stuff. And then JC, of course, you know, she's 3. She likes to put a lot of stuff in her mouth. So then I have these nice textured pumpkins that I'm going to be adding. I have 2 of those, and then I'm going to be adding in some smaller pumpkins with some little pine cones.
Compare myself to her, but I'm like no other. So why do I bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. This is our last goodbye. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Guess the door to now. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. God knows we tried. Yeah, yeah. Our time is up. Our time is up. This is our last goodbye. This is our last goodbye. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Last goodbye. Oh yeah, yeah.
So now we're moving on to vacuuming up the living room. Since we've already decorated everything, I feel like vacuuming pulls everything together. It gives you that nice, clean, cozy fall vibe. I am so loving how my living room is looking, y'all. I swear when the kids and my husband saw how everything was looking, they were so like, wow, this is beautiful. And it was. And that candle, oh my God, it had the entire house smelling like pumpkin spice latte. Y'all, I would highly advise you to go out and get this candle, or hey, wait till they go on sale, because you know they have those big sales going on around Christmas holidays, so you never know, you may get a good deal. this is the final look. Y'all, everything is so beautiful. Oh my God, like just sitting here watching how cozy and how warm the light is on this cozy fall night. Because that's what it's giving right now. It's giving that cozy fall night for sure. And I am just loving the lightning, the warm lights. It brings it really, really all together. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you're subscribed and give this video a big, big thumbs up if you loved everything about it. And until next time, guys, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.